Hello viewers, welcome once again. Let's solve this question on the board. Look at this diagram on the board, and this angle is 3x, here is x, here is 2x. Pay attention to this symbol here. What this means is that this line and this line, that they are parallel. So that's what it means, that this line and this line is parallel. Automatically it forms an alternate angle here and here. So what this means is that this angle here is equal to this angle because it is an alternate angle, the z angle. So this angle in this form, when you have an angle in this form here and here, only when this angle and this angle are parallel, what it means is that the value of this angle, if here is 20 degrees, automatically here is going to be 20 degrees. So let's solve. Looking at this, we can get the value of x by adding all these angles and equating them to 180 degrees. If we add this angle, and this angle, we will equate them to 180 degrees. What is the reason behind it? Because this angle is formed on a point on a straight line. The sum of angles on a straight line is equal to 180 degrees. So if we add up these angles, we will equate it to 180 degrees. So we have that 2x solution, 2x plus 3x plus x is equal to 180 degrees. Now what is the reason behind it? The sum of angles on a straight line. Sum of angles on a straight line. So 2x plus 3x plus x is going to give us 6x. So you have 6x to be equal to 180 degrees. And if we divide both sides with the coefficient of x, we have that 6 divided by 6 here, x is going to be equal to 30 degrees. You see, divides 18 is 3. So we have 30 degrees. So the value of x here is 30 degrees. Now, we established that the value of angle z is equal to the angle at x. The reason is that they are and is equal to 30 degrees. The reason is that they are alternate angles. Alternate angles. Why are they alternate angles? This line and this line are parallel. They're parallel lines. So the angle formed here and the angle formed here is going to be equal. So here, the value of this angle is also 30 degrees. Now, we can get the value of, since we already know the value of x, since we know the value of x, what it means is that this angle here is going to be 3 times x, and here will be equal to 90 degrees. The value of 3x here is going to be 90 degrees. So this angle here is 90 degrees. Now, for us to get the value of y, we need to add the value of this angle, this and this, in order to get the value of y. So we now have that y plus z plus the value of this angle 3x is equal to 180 degrees. The reason is sum of interior angles of a triangle. the sum of interior angles of a triangle. When you add the interior angles of a triangle, is going to give you 180 degrees. We don't know the value of y, plus we have established that z is equal to 30 degrees, and 3x is already 30, is equal to 180 degrees. So we have that y plus 3 times this is 90, plus this 90 plus 3 is going to give us 120 degrees, equal to 180 degrees. This means that y is equal to 180 minus, if positive 120 cross the product sign, we have negative 120 degrees. So y is going to be 60 degrees. Y will be equal to 60 degrees. So the value of y in this question is 60 degrees. So our answer here is C. So thank you for watching once again. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel to support us.